23rd July 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. China has successfully launched Tianwen-1, its first independent mission to Mars. A long March 5 rocket carrying the spacecraft ignited at the Wenchang Space Launch Site in South China's tropical Hainan province. China has launched an orbiter destined for Mars on a Russian rocket in 2011, but the mission failed because the rocket malfunctioned. Next. India's first neobank for teenagers, FamPay, has launched India's first numberless card, FamCard. Teenagers can now use FamCard like a debit card to make payments independently without asking parents for physical cash or their debit or credit card. Next. The Punjab government has signed an agreement with the Indian Institute of Technology (ROPAR) in the area of skill development. Important highlights of the agreement are: agreement provides IIT's Technical Education Department to become an academic mentor for the state's engineering colleges at Gurdaspur and Firozpur, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Skill Institute at Chamkaur Sahib, 5 government polytechnics and 10 government ITIs. The institute will help the state in developing a model ITI and a model polytechnic. The IIT to help the state in the manufacture of small devices for controlling water wastage in irrigation. Punjab government helps to resolve the IIT's land acquisition related issues while urging the institute to develop its campus as a green campus with extensive landscaping and afforestation. Next. Vriksharopan Abhiyan will be launched by the Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah in New Delhi. Ministry of Coal will organize the Abhiyan along with all coal or lignite PSUs. Under the Vriksharopan Abhiyan, large-scale plantation would be carried out in mines, colonies, offices, and other suitable areas of coal or lignite PSUs in order to promote plantation by the society. Next. India has successfully conducted flight tests of its indigenously developed anti-tank guided missile Dhruvastra. The flight tests were conducted from the Integrated Test Range at Chandipur in Odisha. Dhruvastra is an anti-tank guided missile ATGM which has been developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. It is a helicopter version of Nag Helena. Next. The 17-year-old climate activist from Sweden, Greta Thunberg, has been named winner for the inaugural Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity. She will receive a prize money of €1 million. She has been awarded for her efforts to mobilize younger generations to tackle climate change. She commenced a protest outside the Swedish parliament in 2018 and risen to global prominence, becoming the figurehead for a series of school strikes by children around the world. Next. The 75th United Nations General Assembly is to be conducted virtually in 2020 for the first time in its history. The 2020 session is to begin on September 15. Next. On July 22, 2020, Shri Arun Kumar was nominated as the Vice Chairman of the International Union of Railways. Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav is the Chairman. Next. On July 22, 2020, actor Sonu Sood launched Prabhasi Rozgar app. The application provides all necessary information to find jobs and offer specific job training programs. The actor has been helping migrant workers reach their homes during the lockdown. The application Prabhasi Rojgar will act as a platform for the workers to find the right job opportunities. Now, some facts for today. Today is the birthday of Chandrasekhar Azad, one of the pioneers of Bharatiya independence. Now, let's learn something about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the earth and comprises of 12 countries. The longest mountain range of the world, Andes Mountain Range, are located on the western coast of South America. The largest river of the world, Amazon, flows through South America. The highest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, are in Venezuela in South America. The highest freshwater lake of the world, Lake Titicaca, is in South America. The highest peak of South America is Mount Aconcagua. The driest place on earth is Iquique in Atacama Desert, Chile. So with this, we will conclude our episode for today. Thank you.